Okay, Sandyman, so what I have done is this washing machine's spinner part. This is the switch, but it was not working. I opened it and I can understand how it works, but the 1% I'm not able to understand. So what I did is the main purpose of this switch was to connect these two things together so that it can spin. So what I did is I attach an additional switch here, uh, that is coming here, and so this problem is solved. The second problem was now is I think something is broke here which was holding this thing. What this thing does is it this one is the brake for this spinner. So it was not tensioned enough because of something broke here, so it was permanently stopping it from spinning. So just a temporary solution, I have pulled it out from here using this wire, I mean this copper thing, and I have tied it here. So for now it is working, it will work. So let's have a test. And this thing also should be connected, and this is done by this thing, so no problem for here. So for now everything is good. Let us test. Okay, so let me put this just for now like this. Okay. So let's see this washer thing. So that one is okay, it was working before also, but now test for this one. This won't work because I disconnected it. So for that now we have to, and it is working for now. And how to stop it? All right, so this is final. It is working absolutely fine. This switch is disconnected, so useless. And this is the switch which is not working now. Why? Okay, I understand why. Because there is one connection is here, which is because of this head. So it is working fine for now. But it will not last longer, so we need to change this. Finish.